Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am making this Afro wig. I will also be answering the questions that I got from my previous Afro wig tutorial. Subscribe to my channel, and if you find this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up and share widely. In my previous video, I got a lot of questions about the wig cap. For this tutorial, this is what I'm using. It's better quality compared to what I used last time. The material is stretchy and firm. It has two adjustable straps at the back. You can also add wig combs at the sides for extra security. I prefer this wig cap because it's long lasting. I've been using it for 2 years now and so far no complaints. This wig cap can be used for crochet wigs, closure wigs, braided wigs. It can be used for so many wigs, and that's why I like it. I used pins to hold the wig cap in place onto the mannequin. I got the pins from my local fabric store, the wig cap and mannequin from Dubois Rd. There are so many shops on Dubois Rd, and I recommend that you comparison shop before buying because each shop has a different quality and different price. When I bought my mannequin, it was plain in color, but over time it started to change color. Even after washing, it didn't help. For this tutorial, I'm using the first 2 crochet needles. These crochet needles are of different sizes. The hair that I used is known as Guess Girl by Angels, and I got it at my local beauty store, Bestlady Cosmetics. You can also get it at Dubois Rd. The hair is synthetic, but it has a soft and smooth texture. It looks just like natural hair, and you can also use it to make spring twist or butterfly locks. To separate the hair, you need to be extra careful and gentle so as to maintain the hair in its original state and for the wig to last longer. This is how I do it. I start by unraveling the bottom part, work my way to the top. Then I use a scissors to cut in between the knotted pieces. I did cut a few pieces in half for the first 3 lines at the bottom so that they can be the same level with the hair that I will crochet at the top, and I wouldn't have to over trim and waste hair. If you use half pieces of hair, you will only need 1 packet for the full wig. I used 1.5 packet for this tutorial. Notice how I did not draw guidelines for this wig. Well, I used my finger to space out the hair and followed the brick pattern to cover up the spaces. Thank you so much for showing so much love on my previous Afro wig tutorial. You guys really showed out. You liked, you shared. It's currently at 85k views, 100k views, yes. Anyway, I'm so grateful for the engagement, and I recommend you go watch it if you've not watched it. In this tutorial, you'll notice that the hair kept on changing color. I promise it's the same hair, it's the same wig cap, it's the same wig all through the end. It's braid color number 30. It kept on changing color because I was shooting at different times of the day, and the light setting also kept on changing. The holes on the wig cap are tiny, so I used small pieces of hair that can easily pass through the hole. Then I did 2 to 3 knots to secure the hair onto the wig cap. Remember to be gentle as you pull the hair through the holes because the wig cap can tear easily.
you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere you say, anywhere.
The hair is so fluffy and puffy, which is a good thing because it covers the spaces I left in between the lines. On TikTok, I got a question on how to do a fringe wig with this hair. And to achieve it, this is what I did at the front. I first followed a semicircle pattern, then I did a few lines which will fall on the forehead, and at the very top, I did not leave any spaces in between the hair to cover it completely. I also used a crochet needle with the smallest hook size and thin pieces of hair to crochet. The Afro wig looks so good and I love it. If you do not want the fringe, I have linked another tutorial without the fringe down below. You can choose to sew the wig combs here at the inner part. Mine fits perfectly and I did not need to add the wig combs. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel. Do give this video a thumbs up, share widely, and see you on the next one.